Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Chavito808, and today we're going to do a new video, but I'm not planning on doing another gameplay. I'm still going to do Super Smash Bros. Brawl, but I just want to give you guys a heads up that I won't be able to release Part 7 of Super Smash Bros. Brawl until Monday, but I don't know exactly what time it will be. All I know is going to be on Monday. If I don't upload on a Monday, then I'll upload it on Tuesday, if something comes up. So I'm not exactly sure when specifically related to time, but I can tell you this. It is going to be a 1 hour and 15 to 30 minute video. So I was originally going to be doing like a 30-minute or 45-minute video as always, but no, people requested me to go to the part where the biggest and the glorious epic moment in subspace. And we want to see the most epic, glorious subspace. That will get us more views. Yeah, that's what the fans want. But, yeah, I'll be sure to do that. But it's going to take me a little longer to do that. So I might do that, like, after this video. But that's not really important. That's not important now, but stay tuned for that on Monday. But a fan asked, one single person whose name I'm going to give it a shout out to after we do this video, has requested me to do how to make the me mascot for my channel, because my channel logo is the me mascot that I use for Chavito808, also for Jason Plays and Jason Reacts, because that's my me character. And I want to show you guys how to make it. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump into me channel. And this is actually the same process as how you do it on the 3DS plus the Wii U and the Nintendo Switch. And I want to be clear with you guys, I don't technically have the QR code for this because I don't own a 3DS. I wish I still did, but not anymore. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into me channel. And I'm going to take the nunchuck off, just in case. Yeah, things may look a bit different than, alright, so, this is actually me right here, so, if you guys want to know how to make my own me, I'll show you. But, I'm going to have to change the, hairstyle just a bit. And I'm actually going to look back to the Switch model and see how it looks. So, this is the Switch, and yeah, the only game I have is Smash Ultimate. I wish I had like Mario Kart or something, but, oops. But, if you go down here to me's, this is me now. So, I'm gonna have to actually change the me that I have in the Wii, because I know I grew for a long way from having my old me model to this model. So I'm going to show you how to do it on the Wii. It's the same way how you do it on the 3DS and the Wii U. I'm going to actually mention the fan's name after the video, so alright, so now we're back to the me channel. Let's figure out how to make Chavito808 yourself. So go to new me. Oh, I just took the nunchuck off, so we go to mail and start from scratch. Alright, so first I'm going to change my face here and the skin here. I mean, my sister usually tells me I have like darker skin like this, but no, actually. Because sometimes in most cartoons you look lighter than usual, so yeah. I mean, no racist pun intended. Of course, that will get me demonetized, but anyway, I have black hair, and I have black eyebrows. Oh, and I can't really basically like squeeze down my eyebrows like I used to do on the Switch. I can't do that anymore because this is like the old version. So, yeah, either way, it'll still work. But actually, I do have this, though. So I'm gonna turn it down just a little bit. Alright. So this is usually how I look. And for the eyes, I look like this. And just turn it this way. Yeah, actually look like this. My nose is fine, and you put a little smile right here. And yeah, this is me with the... I mean, actually, I really don't have dimples, but I just like to put dimples because it makes me more happier, so... But, you know, I just want to keep the dimples. I think that's really cute. Oh, and, for the, glasses... Well, sometimes I will only wear glasses if I want to, like, watch TV, or if I want to see, like, a projection screen when I go to the movies, or just basically pass an eye exam. And speaking of which, I have an eye exam upcoming, so I might not be in the afternoon doing a video, so I don't use those, but actually I do, but I'm just gonna leave it. Let's see. I use silver, so I'm just gonna lower the size of it. Actually, you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna keep it like that. I mean, let's see how I look with these. Oh yeah, I think that's a lot more better. So yeah, that's it right there. Yeah, you want to put these on. So let's go back to the face thing because we're gonna go here. And sometimes I would like to shave my beard sometimes. I mean, let me tell you this. I'm afraid of cutting myself when I'm trying to shave my beard. That's why I always ask my stepdad to cut my beard off. I just like to keep the mustache. I mean, I know the mustache kind of looks a little ugly though because the hair always gets like falls off on my mustache, so that's why I always pick on my mustache. So yeah, I believe to have this right here. Yeah, that's better. So, and usually in real life I would have hair more on the back towards here, but not here, like somewhere right here. Alright, and let's see. I think that's it. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm actually this tall. In reality, I'm actually 5'9". I mean, I don't know how to actually measure this in the meme maker. I don't really know how to measure it from real life, but all I know is I'm actually this tall. Where's right here? If I could just... Yeah, there we go. And since I've been starting to do, like, you know, my workout routine, I'm starting to lose some weight now, and yeah, I'm actually gonna leave it. If I can just slowly rinse this here. So yeah, I've lost like 13 pounds this morning, so yeah, I'm doing good. Because, you know, your boys gotta live, and, you know, I don't want to die young, and of course I got YouTube videos to make, you know, I gotta follow my dream, you know. And my favorite color is green. Sometimes blue, but mostly green. It used to be blue, but now I have two different colors. Alright, and you're gonna name this... There we go. Chavito808. Alright, let me explain about the name for a second. Let me press mute. Let me explain how I came up with the name Chavito808. Well, originally, when I made a Google account, and when I was trying to come up with a YouTube channel of my own, I had a hard time thinking of a name, because I didn't know what to go for. Because when I was like 13 or 14, I started like binge watching this very funny and yet popular show that I used to watch. It's actually a Mexican TV show that me and my mom both grew up watching. My mom grew up watching that show like in 1980 or something. It used to be on Univision, but now it's still on Univision, but now it transferred to Unimas. And then, I mean, you can still find it on Telemundo now. I mean, and yes, the show is called El Chavo808. If you don't know what that is, it's about a young orphan named El Chavo. And, you know, just misadventures with his friends. He makes friends with this bratty rich kid named Kiko. And he hangs out with his other friends. Well, here comes the fat one. His name is Ñoño. And Ñoño is the son of the landlord, Senor Barriga. And he's mostly sometimes get into conflict with Senor Barriga. Because, you know, he always ended up accidentally punches at him every time when he walks into the neighborhood. He always makes mistakes like that. Or sometimes annoys his neighbor, Don Ramon. And sometimes he hangs out with Don Ramon's daughter, La Chilindrina. And let me tell you this, in the animated version of El Chavo808 called El Chavo Animado, they replaced La Chilindrina. They took her off the show because the creator, Roberto Gomez Bolaños, said that he didn't want to have too much intention with the actual live-action show. So, yeah, they removed her from the animated series. So now, we're stuck with Kiko's cousin, which is La Popis. I mean, if you're Hispanic and if you like watching shows like that, you know what I'm talking about. But if you're not, I don't know, search it up and probably just learn how to speak Spanish and watch it. Learning Spanish is good for you, you know that? Unlike learning how to speak Chinese or Japanese. I'm not saying you're not supposed to be learning that. Yes, it is good to learn new languages, and that's why I minimally watch Japanese dub anime. I mean, I try to, but I don't know. I don't even consider myself as a weeaboo type, but whatever. Still like anime, by the way. Yeah, Pokemon, Dragon Ball, just don't watch it. Oh, and now you guys know when my birthday is, March 14th. And lastly, me creator, and that is me. This is my real name, by the way. And let me tell you about my real name. A lot of people always gets the misconfusion with the J-A-S-O-N because I have an I in my name. My grandma named me. Yeah, we always get mistakes like that. I mean, it happens sometimes, okay? And actually, you know what? Let me keep it like this. Yeah, I look darker now. Yeah, that's more better. Yeah, so this is how you're supposed to make the Chavito808 mascot me. And yeah, that's how I usually look. Even if I don't have a mustache like I'm supposed to. Like, but all I know is, actually, you know what? I'm going to actually put a freckle here. I do have one freckle. Oh, I also forgot that, but, it's actually right here, down here. Yeah, that's exactly how you do that. Just put it up a bit. Alright, there you go. And that is how you make the Chavito808 mascot. And there you go. And I'm actually going to go ahead and save and quit. once again, I really do not have the QR code because I don't have a 3DS. So, yeah. Make sure you follow these instructions and BAM! Oh, and yes, I am an introvert, like Jaden Animations. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to Chavito808. And also, I'm going to actually give you the name of the person who requested me to do this video. Her name is Annie Gao. Search it up on the YouTube search bar and make sure you subscribe to her. Okay, she and I are good friends. So we'll see you guys again next time. Oh, and one more thing. I would really love to actually have more people on my channel. I mean, if I want to, like, I don't know, do like a video collaboration on this sometime, or probably do like a live stream together. Probably react to a Nintendo Direct or something. I can only do like live streams for her, like special occasions or something. Oh, and yeah, you wanna know who walked in? That's my cousin Chino. Say hi, Chino. What's up? I'm doing a YouTube video, so yeah, so I guess that's probably it. Thank you guys so much. Have a good day. See y'all. Peace out. By the way, this is her, so yeah, this is the fan who requested me to do this video, so make sure you subscribe to her. Alright, see you guys. Have a good day. Peace out.